Week 9 of Consultant Expert. Thank you guys for listening in. Hope everyone's doing well. It's amazing how fast time is flying by. Just want to also remind you guys that we have two offices. One is 7804 Midlothian Turnpike. Our phone number is 804-269-7689. You can call us with any questions. Come in for a free consultation as well. And also we have another office at 6115 Staples Mills Road. On top of Terraza, next to Arcoides convenience store, right before Glenside. Our hours here at Midlothian Turnpike are Monday through Friday, 9 to 9, Saturday, 9 to 5, and Sunday, 9 to 2. So today, we talked a little bit about a little short video on Instagram. Now we're going to talk more depth about identity theft. First of all, anything we talk about, you can always verify. It's always good, and I always say this because I hear so many people all the time say things that they don't know what they're talking about or just make things up. Or if they don't know, they make something up. It's not good to make things up. If you don't know, you have to say you don't know. If you know, you know. So, what we talk about and what I talk about, I like to always refer people so they can look and investigate to themselves and verify that it is a fact. Okay, so first of all, the IRS is urging tax professionals to make sure they purchase and use tax software that is multi-feature, right? And are also announcing that taxpayers need to be careful with identity theft. So it's a taxpayer needs to be careful with identity theft, and also the tax preparation company. So again, you can verify this information at www.irs.gov, and you'll see these highlights that they have for the month of February. It's always changing, and what I do, it's important to stay on top of things because it's always changing. In reference to identity theft, we can get fined. We need to guard your information because we're talking about social security numbers. We're talking about date of birth, names. With this information, people can open bank accounts, credit cards, and you don't even know that this is happening to you. So it's important why you choose a tax preparation place that is, number one, registered to the IRS, that has a EFIN that they can electronically file, because they have to go to pretty strenuous process as far as fingerprints and be approved and make sure that they are who they are. And then when they transmit, and with the tax, depending on what tax software you need as well, it needs to be authenticated, meaning they have to verify that it's the person, and there's multi-levels of authentication. So this is, why am I saying this? Because it's important for you as a taxpayer to protect you. So when you go somewhere, you're confident that your information is being protected. That there's not a chance one day somebody has credit cards in your name and you had no idea, whether it be a social security number or ITIN number. So it's very important why you choose a place that's registered to the IRS, has taxpayers that are registered. I cannot tell you how many, it's thousands and thousands, I've been doing this for a while, of cases I've seen people come in with their taxes and, I didn't display. They don't put their name on it. Self-prepared or it's blank. Cannot tell you how many times I have seen this. And why? Because number one is that person either doesn't have an EFIN, 9 times out of 10 doesn't have an EFIN, doesn't have a PTIN. If they do have a PTIN, they don't want to put their name on it because they don't want to be responsible for anything that they have made up to try to get you more money. So it's kind of dangerous on many levels. Number one, you can have problems because it's saying that you did it when you actually paid somebody to do it. So always look at your tax return at the bottom. If it doesn't have anything there, ask, hey, why is this say self-prepared? Why doesn't this have your name? And if they give you an answer that's weird, you have to say, well, look, I paid you for this tax return, so your name and information should be on it, because it's them kind of washing their hands. And you as a tax payer, you don't want to have any issues with the IRS, because at the end of the day, you're signing and you're responsible. Now us, as tax preparers and tax preparation company, we need to make sure that we have security, passwords to go in, and so that workers as well can't just go in and check your information. So it's very important that there's levels of authentication and not just everyone open to have information. We also have to guard records. Me here and ourselves, we have records for 3 years, and then I file them away. We have up to 7 years, which is a little extensive because it required 3, but I believe in keeping them because we don't want to have any issues. So number one, protect your information, okay? Be careful. It's your personal information. Now let's talk about your employers. Let's say your employer one day just out of the blue asks you for information. They should have that information. If they don't, you need to ask why. Okay, there is new forms to be filled out, W-4s for 2020 and W-9s as well. So if you just start a job, it's natural with deductions. It's normal to fill out a W-4, copies of your ID. But sometimes you do find people that want to have, say you have an ITIN and a contract, hey, give me your number. And you give me a number, and next thing you know, the IRS will send you a bill. You want to always ask why somebody wants your information. Don't share your information with anybody. Consult somebody before you give your information because it's your personal information. Okay, so it's very important because nowadays thieves as well are very crafty in what they do. There's even people like that enter tax preparation officers like myself through a cloud and end up stealing information. So you have to protect yourself. You have to make sure you have systems in place to prevent any identity theft, okay, on any level, whether it be personally, whether it be in a business, whatever it may be. So remember, we're here at 804. You can call us at 804-269-7689. Any questions? We don't charge for questions. And our address is 7804 Midlothian Turnpike. We're Latino Tax and Business Services. And we have other offices always at 6115 Staples Mills Road, ready to help you answer any questions. And please go to the IRS, www.irs.gov. Take a peek. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about as well. And it's always very important, I believe, to educate yourself and see. Now that page is in English and Spanish, so you can have it just in English or you can switch it to Spanish if you're more comfortable talking, but very important, okay? Thanks so much for listening for another week of Consult an Expert. We appreciate all your support and thank you guys for coming out. We've been like full, which is a good thing. So thanks and have a good day.